dito na?
How many correct answers? Ano yan? Okay. Sige, go! Nini. Okay.
Done? You have to say finish or ready. Okay. 3. Oh, 3 correct answers. Oh, ganyan din ginawa niya last time. Yeah, 3 correct answers. It's okay if you're going to move everything. 2 correct answers. Ganyan na 3 ngayon 2. Still 2 correct answers. Still 2. 2 correct answers. Start na to. Finish. 1. Why ito? Ako, hindi na. Next na. Angka.
Kuya, kagaya lang ng nilaro natin.
Okay. How many correct answers dito ba?
All.
Oh! Go! Dalawa na yan? Oh, yun. Go, Star! No correct answer. It's okay, Star. Oh, next, we have right.
Pero dati,
May 2 correct answer. Ay, 0 ka lang. Finish na? Sure na yan, final answer. Sure na mo yan.
okay.
Love ilan? How many? 0! Wala pa rin.
Okay.
We're finished. Still 0. Go, kuya.
Hindi mo talaga pwede makita yun.
Are you finished? So, how many correct answers? Still 0. No correct answer. Oh, hindi ko, your turn. Hindi ko.
Kami naman.
No correct answer. Finish? 1 correct answer. Your turn. 1 correct answer. Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na, papaka na. Iba ano?
Okay na
Kaya na, kuya? Ilan lang? 2 correct answers.
Wow! I moved it.
Wait. Yeah, it's 3 correct answers.
Correct. But the rest.
3 correct answers. Say kuya pa, 3 correct answers. Ate!